Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to reorder apps on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Alright, so let's get started. You go to your app drawer. So under apps, you can find your apps here. In my case, the first app is Netflix, the second app is YouTube, third app is Prime Video. My last app is Unlinked, second to the last app is APK Time. If I want to reorder these apps, I can just click on reorder, the last icon to the right. And this will allow me to actually just switch my apps up so that I could see them in the order. If I want to have maybe the Spotify app as the first app I see when I come on here, I just click on Spotify and I click left to drag it over to the first spot, and I click enter to put it on. That's the center button. Maybe if I want to see the local set app as the second app I get, I'm just going to click on it and then take it on and drop it at the second position. Click OK, and that puts it there. And let's say I want the Netflix as to be the last app on my app drawer. I will just click on it and then take it to the last spot on this app drawer and dump it there, and then I click OK. From there, I just go down one step and click done. So right there, you find my app drawer has been reordered. Anytime I come on to Chromecast, I'll find this order here. So that's basically for this video. If you found that useful, subscribe to the channel for content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.